back to our channel. Today, we will explore powerful tractors, but not without tragic and dramatic failures. Get ready for thrilling and unexpected moments, as these tractors face challenges and difficulties that you won't be able to take your eyes off of. Click subscribe to follow now, so you don't miss any of the action. The heart-stopping moment when a city government truck almost overturned while dumping goods. A surprising bascular made everyone's hearts jump, but luckily, it still stood. Luckily, the driver was not injured, proving the importance of operating with caution. A challenging moment when the tractors got stuck in the mud. The drivers kept trying, running the engine with all their power to get out of the deep mud. The wheel spins, sometimes only making the situation worse, but no one gives up. This can be the most expensive means of transportation, as both the vehicle and the road are subject to heavy wear and tear. Operating the tractor with the flexible steering system and four-wheel crawler is challenging at an upward angle. The wheels resisted traction, carrying tons of mud when buried deep, and sometimes had to be lifted to be freed. With the Zier 6945 Turbo 7 CCM, this is the first time I have seen someone hydraulically lift and pull wood smoothly, without any problems. This is exactly how logging should be done. Oh, is this guy underestimating the power of this machine? Look, the trailer is struggling to get out of the rampa on the Eva River. People were worried when it couldn't move. The wheels were spinning without being able to grip the ground. Wow! The EVO Bohren-Schreck test made me shudder, as the engine roared and filled with smoke while the tractor struggled with the huge challenge. Are you an MTZ82 owner? Comment 1 and share your driving experience and techniques with the farming community to grow together. Huge tractors are pulling the truck out of the mud with all their might, and I'm pretty sure this rescue will be successful. The Sierra K700 tractor was stuck, but fortunately, a New Holland promptly came to the rescue. Power may be a straight fight between two tractors, both formidable, but which will win in handling the heaviest work without a hitch? This is probably a test of engine power. The guy on the left is 20 pounds heavier, clearly has the advantage here, the ultimate tractor war. Which one do you think will win and prove superior? I must say, the T554 is a truly impressive tractor that performs so well that it deserves a medal. The sound of the LKT81 is a perfect symphony as it handles downhill performance superbly. With a capacity of 19 cubic meters, this skidder transports wood effectively. Although it suddenly lost half of its load, it quickly recovered and continued its work. This machine raises the rear of the car, displaying impressive raw power. I certainly shouldn't have loaded anymore, as this was too much of a challenge for the tractor. Need to change to a smaller tire to reduce the load on it. With 240 bales of hay, the truck was more than full for this narrow road. Maybe it's better to drive out twice instead of risking such a tight exit. The Belarusian MTZ82 was stuck deep in the mud, but don't worry, the MTZ 1025 came to the rescue. With outstanding power, the MATZ 1025 easily pulls the MTZ 82 out of the mud, bringing absolute peace of mind to the driver. Operating and moving in the difficult conditions of the forest, the IMT 558 is struggling to self-rescue with a crane, pulling 12 meters of wood. Every time it pulled, its wheels seemed about to slip, and everyone worried whether the machine had enough power to get out of this dangerous situation. This is how friendship is honored, by helping each other in times of difficulty. Oh no! A Kirovest suddenly overturned right before our eyes. That moment was recorded right on camera. In complete contrast to its terrible power, it makes everyone surprised. Join the field battle to see which tractor is your favorite. Leave a comment below. Wow! Yanmarem 3110D is showing its true power. The dramatic confrontation between the 52,500 LB Fendt 150 and the 59,000 LB John Deere 560 RT. With its superior weight, will John Deere overwhelm, or will Fendt prove formidable strength? This is a classic confrontation. John Deere confronts Suka 1000. Both machines demonstrate their peak power on the field. The Fiat 1880, with its sturdy frame and 180 horsepower, 6-cylinder turbocharged diesel engine, is a symbol of power and performance. Meanwhile, the legendary MTZ-82 asserts itself as an exceptionally durable off-road machine. This machine is impressive, but don't use it to plow or uproot trees. It will sink in and burn more fuel than it's worth. Instead of moving forward, it just spins in place, wasting power. Amid the white snow scene, DT-75 and MTZ-952 cooperated to pull a wooden house through slippery terrain. The tracks clung firmly. The The engines emitted black smoke. Both machines slowly conquered the icy challenge, demonstrating admirable strength and endurance. The atmosphere was tense, waiting for the moment the truck was flipped back to its original shape. In heavy rain, the Belarus 925 turbo tractor pulled more than 15 tons of noodles up the slippery bank. Suddenly, the load was so great that the car flipped sideways and noodles spilled out. Luckily, no one was injured, but this situation reminds us to be cautious in harsh conditions.